What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be doing a quick trade recap slash this morning session recap. So far I'm done already. It's 10:07. I'm done for the day. I'm maybe going over the things I did right, discussing the things I did wrong, how I can improve, and yeah, let's get right into it. So going into today, I noticed. Let me just hide this first. So going into the day, I noticed we did inverse new week opening gap, which was this right here, which usually acts as a form of support or resistance, and it's pretty strong. So once I saw that we closed below it and we were holding it with this candle right here from the morning, I wanted to be more bearish. So then that's when I zoomed in. I noticed we had a lot of low resistance liquidity built up from London and Asian session. We had this 5-minute close above here at 9:05, which is what I did. This is what I did wrong. So usually I tell myself, especially on red folder news days, like today we had PMI at 9:45. This happened at 9:05. This is where I ended up going long, trying to see if we could attack these equal highs, London high, after the inverse 5-minute, and then we were holding the 1-minute order block as well. That was my entry. You see, I got stopped out. Took like a $300 loss. I think this was a $300 loss. So yeah, got stopped out. I was like, all right, I'm gonna just wait. Market opened. We had a lot of volatility. Sold off. Closed back below. This is when I switched back to being bearish. I should have just stuck with my higher time frame overall bias. I shouldn't have tried to fade it. That's one thing I did incorrect as well. So the two things I'd say I have to do better on is just my patience when it comes to trading prior to open and prior to news. I should have just waited, let price do what it had to do, and then look for my entry from there. So yeah, after that, I noticed that we formed this 5-minute imbalance off the open, and that was kind of what I wanted to play off of. So yeah, I waited for price to rebalance back up into it. We did with this candle right here, and then that's when I zoomed in to the seconds time frame, and I really just waited for an invalidation of some form of bullish PDA rate. I'm sorry. I waited for a bullish PDA rate to get invalidated. We did have an SMT here. NQ never tapped this 5-minute, so I didn't take this one initially because I don't think we tapped it yet. Let me check. Because we did close below right here, but I would have been stopped out. So let me see. Did we tap it here? We did barely tap it, but I also wanted to wait and see if NQ was going to tap it. Oh, and I was waiting for news as well. This news didn't occur yet. So we just consolidated. I can turn this off actually. We consolidated up until news, and then right after I noticed that news didn't really do much, and then we also got to close below this bullish PDA array right here. So where I went short at right here with 3 ES contracts. My first target was go to the 15-minute. We had a new day opening gap. Dang, where is it at? Am I bugging? All right, this right here, this new day opening gap. This was my first target. We were very close to it, so I had a lot of confidence in being able to hold to it and trade with a little bit heavier size than I usually do. So yeah, and it also somewhat lines up with 2 to 2.5. You can also see once we tapped it right here, we did hold it a little bit, use it to pull back into this 30-second, continued the sell-off. I left my runner to this 2-hour bearish imbalance as well. You can see our bullish imbalance. This was my last runner right here, and if I wasn't with more size, I definitely wouldn't mind holding longer because higher time frame, I do think we are quite bearish. This trade right here netted me 1,200 like something. I put it up on the screen. I'll put it up, but yeah. That's my trade recap from today. I also have a live recording of it. I will put that up as well just to show you. I trailed my stop accordingly. So once we got this displacement here, ended end up zooming into the 15-second. And I think after this candle, right, so my stop originally was at this high, this candle high. Then as we got more displacement, trail my stop to this high. Continue once we held this imbalance, trail my stop to this high. And so on, trail my stop here as we continue to sell. So yeah, very happy with this trade. Very good day. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm gonna put the live recording up as well. I'll probably put it in this video. Show you the live execution, how I looked during the trade, how I was pretty emotionless, honestly. I'm trying to treat trades as if I already lost them now, just so that it helps with just my mental while I'm in the trade, and I'm not like so antsy if I just be like, all right, I already lost the money. It's whatever, like the outcome is the outcome at this point. It definitely helps a lot. Just with while you're in the trade, you won't be as emotional. You won't be trying to second guess yourself to say. You'll just be like, all right, I already lost. Just wait for it to play out. If I'm even describing that right, I saw somebody explain that, and I've been trying to take that and apply that to my strategy, and it has been helping. So yeah, that is it for today's recap. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.